A quiet life, a strong impact. He was not famous. Most people never heard his name, and that was fine with him. He lived a simple life in a small town where everyone knew each other. Every morning, he woke up early, opened the window, and listened to the sounds of the street before starting his day. He worked as a mechanic. His hands were always dirty, and his clothes smelled of oil and metal. Some people thought his job was simple, but he took it seriously. He believed that doing something well mattered, even if no one was watching. He spoke little, but when he did, people listened. He was the kind of man who fixed things without asking questions. If a neighbor's car stopped working, he was there. If someone needed help moving furniture, he showed up. He never asked for money when people could not pay. He only said, "You can help someone else one day." He never married and never had children, but he was never alone. Children from the neighborhood visited his workshop after school. He taught them how engines worked, how to use tools, and how to be patient. He believed that learning something with your hands helped you understand life better. He had habits that never changed. Every afternoon, he sat on the same bench near the town square. He drank coffee slowly and watched people pass by. He remembered names, stories, and small details. People felt seen when they talked to him. Years passed quietly. New buildings appeared. Old shops closed. Young people left the town. He stayed. His workshop became older, but his work remained the same: careful, honest, and precise. One winter, he became sick. At first, no one noticed. He continued working, even when he was tired. One morning, the workshop stayed closed. Then another. People started to worry. When he returned weeks later, the town was different. Someone had cleaned his workshop. Fresh food waited at his door. Notes appeared with simple messages. "Thank you. We are here. You helped me." He did not talk about it. He just smiled. He worked fewer hours after that. He spent more time on the bench, watching the world move slowly. One day, the bench was empty. At his funeral, the church was full. People shared stories. Not big stories, small ones. A car fixed on a difficult day. A kind word at the right moment. A lesson taught without knowing it was a lesson. He never changed the world, but he changed many days, and that was enough. Before you leave, let me ask you something. Did you understand this story? Was it easy for you, a little difficult, or very difficult? Please write in the comments, "I understood everything," "I understood most of it," or "I need more practice." Your comment helps me understand your level and helps this channel grow. If this reading helped you practice your English today, leave a like and subscribe for more English stories. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.